Hey guys, so I thought that I would do a video on formula because I just keep changing up the way I make formula and I just find this way better, but I don't know what you would want to do with it, so I'm going to show you two different ways to make formula, but first I'm going to show you guys what you'll need. So first you'll need bottles or whatever. I just bought this whole caddy of bottles. This actually has juice in there for juice, but that's not just looking at. So I'm going to get 2 bottles out, so 2 bottles, and you'll need water. It can be warm or it can be cold, depends on whatever. Because you don't want to microwave this is not the best thing to microwave, so if you decide that you can do it the way that I usually do it, which is heat warm water up and put the bottle in that to warm it, or if you just want to make it with warm water automatically, whatever. You'll need, for one way, you'll need some flour, which is in here, flour, a formula scoop or thingy, and then for the second way, you'll need a white lotion, water, and a yellow creamish or whatever. So this one's just soap. It's just soap. But if you have like a yellow lotion, or whatever, you can use that because milk formula is not necessarily all white. It has like a yellow tint to it, so you just want to make it separate. So the first one I'm going to do is with the flour. So first what you want to do is, it depends on how much you want in the bottle, so yeah. But I'm going to fill this up to, it's an 8-ounce bottle, so I'll fill up to about 3 to 4 ounces. So let's do 4. It's right in the back, so okay. It's 4 ounces. And use your flour and your scoop. And you're just going to scoop out flour the same way you would scoop out regular formula. And you'll put about just that much in there. So I'm going to try not to make a mess with this. The skinnier scoop as well. Okay. As you can see, that's how it is in there. And usually when if I decide not to make formula at home before we go somewhere, and I'm taking her out somewhere, I usually bring the flour because it's more like formula. So you can shake it up, and bam. And that's like a really white. Okay, but that is a really white formula. And if you want, you could add like something to it, some food coloring or something. The medicine that I make, I have to do a video on that, but the medicine I make, I usually add a little bit of that in there, and it gives it a yellowish tint to it. And if you make it this way, you're going to want to change this regularly. I change these every night, so they don't start to stink and mold in our bottles. So, because today was bottle cleaning day, so I just cleaned out all of her bottles, so she has nothing but clean bottles now. But try using this again. So that's just that one. That's the best way to do it in public. So let's close this up. And the second way, the second bottle, and I'll show you that. So I'm going to fill that out. I'm going to put more water in here than usual, probably, but not all the way to the top because you want to look like you're really going to be drinking it. So you need some white lotion first, and you pour it, you squeeze it in, or pour it in, or whatever you do. Screw the top on, the cap on, and you shake it really well. And that just makes it really white to boots. Yeah. Okay. Next, you want to take your yellow material that your yellow liquid that you're using, whether it's like soap or lotion or whatever, and you want to use your scoop for this if you'd like. But just a little one squeeze of that there. Just put it into the bottle. And I'm going to add like another one just in case. Add some more in here. And it doesn't have to be like a distinctive yellow, but like a creamy color, so it just adds to the effect of the formula. Okay. Sometimes you're going to need more, so maybe another scoop. So let it show up in here. You're going to put kind of like a lot in here if you use a lot of white lotion like I just did. There we go. Okay, yeah. You want to be careful with the water amount because it does make it very bubbly. And then it doesn't look real, but it's really bubbly. But here it is, and you can see, you can't really see it, but there you go. It's yellowish now. It's got like that yellow tint, little tint thing to it. So, yeah. And I guess since I still have time, I can show you guys my medicine. So, you could use your medicine container. I just have this, like these little bottles that I have that I use for medicine. So you want to use some water first. Next, you want to use your yellow liquid. Squeeze that in. Your yellow liquid, which will be my soap. You can make these a lot of different colors, but I just prefer to use this one. And you can use a straw to mix. Now, you get a little flour. Okay, so here it is, and usually when it settles it's a really good color, and sometimes I add more liquid soap to it to make it, yeah, and usually if you just let it settle for a little bit, it'll come out really well without the bubbles. And I don't always just make it and give it to my reward just as medicine in a bottle. I put it in formula sometimes. And with the flour, it sets really quickly, so you might want to shake. You're gonna have to shake it a lot. So I'm gonna pour some of this medicine into it with the scoop. Give it that yellow tint. Where's that? Okay. So, ta-da. Okay. So, that's about all for this video. Here are the finished products. Just in time to do my camera time. Okay. So here are the finished products. The flour whey with the flour in it, and the lotion. So, finished products. Yay! So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, request, because I really do want to know what video you guys think I should make to improve my channel, just in case you guys want to know anything. Yeah, so subscribe, comment, request, most importantly subscribe, and